we step into the core of superego, where steel takes shape and precision is the law. In Vitoria, the capital of the Basque Country, lies our 5,000 square meter forging facility, an industrial powerhouse in a region renowned for automotive, aerospace, and machinery manufacturing. Here, innovation meets tradition, bringing to life tools designed to last. Forging is the soul of our tools. We heat metal to extreme temperatures until it becomes malleable, then shape it with force and precision. This process ensures robust, durable parts with an exceptional lifespan. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our forging systems handle heavy loads while ensuring maximum quality in every detail. Engineering and expertise come together here to produce tools that exceed industry standards. But forging is just one part of the process. We also operate a gravity aluminum foundry, where molten metal is poured into precision molds and solidifies under its own weight. This allows us to manufacture both short and large production runs with unmatched quality and optimized lead times. From Vitoria, we move to Abadiano, home to our 20,000 square meter manufacturing facility. This site houses not only our headquarters, but also our key areas of machining, heat treatment, and painting. Every tool undergoes a meticulous machining process where human expertise merges with the precision of advanced technology. This synergy allows us to achieve exact tolerances and impeccable finishes. At superego, innovation is measured not only in precision, but also in responsibility. We implement sustainable practices across all our processes to minimize environmental impact and ensure a cleaner, more efficient future. At superego, quality and sustainability go hand in hand. We are committed to customer satisfaction, ensuring cost-effective products and a reliable service. We adhere to the highest quality standards and uphold a deep respect for the environment, working with suppliers who share our values. Continuous improvement is our philosophy, optimizing processes to reduce environmental impact. And secure a sustainable future. Superego, forging the future. Since 1946.